How to change wallpaper on LG TV. First of all, get your LG TV remote control, then press this button right here. Should bring up the menu at the bottom of the page once you click on it like that. Then you'll want to scroll along to the right hand side until you get to gallery. Once you get to gallery down there, you want to go ahead and press the OK button. Then you should be able to see a few different options will pop up once you press the downward arrow or OK to be able to bring up the devices list, the little options go to list, the bottom left hand corner. Press on that there. Then you can see the gallery where you got a few different options that you can have for your background theme of your LG TV. So go ahead and pick whichever one you want. So for instance, this one here. And then once you pick that, it will be your gallery background image for your LG TV, so it will appear there. If that's what you want, you can go ahead and do this. Leave a like on the video if it helped. Subscribe for more helpful videos.